hose, but do you get frustrated year after year after year, maybe going out and buying those like plasticky ones, and then they crack and they break, or maybe you left it outside in the winter, and then next thing you go to use it, and then it's sprinkling water all over the place because it's got so many holes in it? Introduce to you the Bernini 40-foot Chroma colored metal garden hose. We're talking about durability like you've dreamed of when it comes to a hose. We're talking about the ability to have that self-coiling feature, so putting it away, it's never a problem to be able to do it. In fact, what you see here in our 3 different colors, this is how it's after you take it out and you use it. When you come to bring it right back, it's going right back into that coil all over again. You also have a nozzle on this at the end of it that's going to be that fireman style adjustable nozzle, and so that is built into it, but you will be able to change that up, I believe. We'll double check on that, but yeah, it looks like it twists right off, so you can. But I'm telling you, you're going to want to use that nozzle because it does give you so much versatility on here as well. This is a clearance price, $43.99 to bring this home. It's an easy payment of $14.66. You're saving $27 today, and Jack Yeiser is joining us via Skype. These are the 3 colors that we have left: the coral, the cobalt, and the lavender. Jack, this is like the hose of everybody's dreams, isn't it?
Yes, this is the garden hose that you need. This is the garden hose that you want, because this is the best garden hose for your garden, for everywhere around the house, really, because you're not just, even though it's colloquially known as the garden hose, you're going to use this all over your home, whether you're washing your car or whatever you're doing, cleaning your home, cleaning your walkways, cleaning, and also watering your garden, the most important part. But what we added here is the Chroma. So right now, if you've seen our metal hoses, you know our metal hoses, you know they're the best thing you can get for your garden.
Yeah.
Metal hoses are durable, lightweight, easy to use. They don't kink up, but now they look good too. Rather than just having the basic metal, you have this Chroma wrap on it, which gives you these beautiful colors, like this coral is this amazing, like orange, kind of like highlight, beautiful color. And then the cobalt blue is deep. And then the purple is honestly my favorite color. I went to TCU, and that's their color matches right up. It looks amazing to me. And, you know, these, to me, the best part about them, and I think you're showing off right now the fireman hose nozzle, but if you come to me real quick, you'll see I've got this thing all the way down. This is as small as it can get. This is less than 2 feet right here, probably closer, a little bit over 2 feet, maybe 3 feet. But this is a full-length 40-foot hose, and it's completely compressed down. And that's what makes these coil hoses so amazing, is their ability to absolutely shrink into the smallest forms. They get so compact, and they're so easy to use.
So like right now, I just kind of made a mess with it, right? I'm wrapping around. Is this going to cause a problem with the pressure as I am using this?
Not at all.
Not at all?
Not at all. And
why is that?
That's what's so amazing about these metal hoses, is there's no interruption of water flow. So as soon as you pull something around, you're not going to have what's the case with like a rubber hose or a fabric hose, which they kink. So a kink is when you get the bend and it stops water flow, because water won't go around anything over a 90 or 180 degree bend. But with a metal hose, it maintains its shape, so the water continues to flow through the center of the hose, and you don't have to worry about kinks causing anything like that. And honestly, it's so easy. These hoses are kink free. And old coil hoses, the biggest problem with them was kinks, because they were a small, thin rubber. And so anytime there'd be any crimp or kink or, you know, any sort of malfunction, there would be a stoppage or a limitation of water flow. These will never have a limitation to their water flow.
Well, you know what I love about it too is it's so easy to put away. Oftentimes, Jack, I will have like a project to work on outside, or I want to run the hose, or I have a hot tub in my backyard, and so to run the hose to go put it to that, it's like, oh gosh, I don't want to undo it.
It is a labor.
Put it back in.
It is a labor.
It is. And I will put it off and procrastinate because of how much work and effort goes into just like a normal hose that you would be used to going and finding out there. And, you know, a hose, when you think about it, it's one of those things that it really, until now, hasn't changed much. It's always kind of been the same thing, and we just kind of got used to like, well, we may use our hose for the first season, it's great. Second season, it's fine. Third season, I guess I could put up with it, or I should go buy a new one. And I've found myself, since owning a house, that I have bought several of them because they just don't always last season to season. That's why you make the investment into something like this. It's still a 40-foot hose, which is huge. But as you noticed, I was around here and I was wrapping it up, and it came right back to its original form. You also have your choice of color. This one that you see on the right is the coral, in the center is our lavender, and on the left is the cobalt. We did have a fourth color, but that is now sold out. Take advantage of this clearance price. $43.99 is saving you $27 today from that QVC price, and you can put it on an easy payment of $14.66. If you want to make your life a little bit easier as you're gardening, if maybe you're somebody who lives in an apartment and you do have that little spot for a hose to use to water your plants, but you don't want the big giant hose because it's not easy to compress down, look no further than this. This is literally for you. This is going to be so much fun because it is bright in color, but it's going to allow for you to care for your garden a little bit more easily. This, Jack, truly is a game changer when it comes to gardening this summer.
100%. And you know, sometimes, like I said, it's not just gardening. These are great, in my opinion, if you have a camper, an RV, or have any sort of like recreational vehicle that you use. These are great because they do get so compact, and you do still get a full-length hose. And there are so many things that you need a garden hose for when you're on the road and doing anything like that. And you've got the adjustable fireman hose nozzle. We love these. They're the most versatile hose nozzle you can have, and it's color matching, which is amazing. But I think, as you're showing right now, we have universal connectors. So if you have your favorite garden hose nozzle that you don't want to give up, you can attach it just like any other garden hose.
Jack, if I wanted to pick up on this because it's a clearance price of $43.99 and I wanted to bury it, maybe I'm building like an underground, could I do that? Is the metal okay to be underneath? And is that something you suggest?
Yeah,
Great.
I mean, I wouldn't bury your garden hose just because you want to be using it all the time.
Of course.
But these are strong enough that if you, I mean, shoot, we run over these, we coil them up in roses. These have gone through every torture test you can imagine, and they all pass with flying colors.
And you're getting it home today for $27 less than the QVC price. That's the reason why you want to put it in your cart and check out. Just simply choose which color it is that you want. Do you want it in the cobalt? Do you want it in the lavender or the coral? We have all three of them on a clearance price of $43.99. Jack, thank you so much for being here and bringing this to us.
Thank you for having me.
Good to see you. Okay, did you notice what they were laying down on? Did you